Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're going to be doing girly activities. We're going to go have lunch and we're going to go shopping for some body care products. I haven't eaten a thing all day and I have to go eat something or else I will collapse. Coco already has kind of collapsed. She's in like her grumpy, hangry mood. And then the main reason why we're even leaving the house today is that I need to buy some body care products. I'm all out of my body gel. I have to re-up on a couple of other things. So I figured why not just make a wonderful afternoon out of it. So this is what I'm wearing for today's activities. This is a top from Fashion Nova and the skirt is from Style of Lagos. If you guys watched my reorganization video, you will remember this skirt and how I said I need to find ways to use it and wear it. And I think I have found a way. I think it really looks good in this fit. Also, there is my one of my favorite Hickey Lagos bags that I'm carrying, and I decided the scarf and sunglasses look would look really nice this afternoon. I love this entire look. The scarf adds like a really nice bright color. I'm also wearing flats from Styles by Worry. Yeah, that's their name. This is my little afternoon lunch shopping fit. If you guys are noticing that the camera is moving, it's because I got this AI trackable gimbal, so it will follow me anywhere I go, which I think is so awesome. So expect to see this in future vlogs, guys. So, all right, let's get going. You know, when you said fish, now I'm thinking of getting fish. Have you? Is this on the menu?
Yeah, and so
Where's the subs? Is it here? The subs here or here?
um
So much to choose from. Um, Man, I'm still looking at this quarter chicken and jollof is 6,000 naira. When we first started coming to this place, it was what 600, 600 naira. Wow. The fish and chips have entered my eye. What do I want to hear?
2 hours later.
Our starters are finally here. Peri peri chicken strips. It's bread. Might as well be my lunch. Coco got the gizzard.
that's not bad. 5 kg.
My main meal is here. This is the soul fish with fries and a little bit of tartar sauce. Coco got spaghetti and meatballs.
I really love meatballs. The spaghetti I'm not so much a fan of.
But
I'm missing my sister and I'm missing meatballs, so a bit of home, I guess.
oh, oh, oh. finally in the supermarket to start our shopping. What I need to do is get tampons. I don't know why they put the tampons up here. It's not as if women are that tall. These are the brand, oops, for them. These are the brand of tampons I get. They're from a Nigerian brand. I prefer them than to these guys. I'm not gonna say their name. We're in the skincare, body care aisle. Let me pick up my roll-on. I just really pick any one. I don't really care what kind of variant, but yeah, I get in the video. I need to pick a body wash. St. Ives used to be my favorite, but then you guys can see the price. It has completely left my budget and range, so now I gotta pick something else. So which one do I go with? Which one should I go for? The Dove is 6'6", no. Palm Olive is 5'2", no. Pears is 3'9". I want one that smells really good. This one is called Astonish. Wait, is it Astonish as the cleaning brand? I didn't know they did bath gel. Really? Are you sure? They're good at cleaning floors, so they might be good at cleaning my body.
They use to clean floor. You want it on your body?
No, now we can read about it here. Energizing shower gel seems to have good ingredients. I need something that's not going to ruin my pockets. Let's see. What? How much is the palm olive? Those ones don't really smell like that. I really love when a shower gel smells amazing. I didn't know Imperial Leather had bath gel, but they look so childish. Cosmic Unicorn, Moon and Sparkles Unicorn Dust. Like, okay, I'm not 3, but thank you. This is Peace. This is Peace bottled. So apple and elderflower, Peter approved. These ones are cousins. Jala, you have to make a decision. I have decided to go for the Astonish Body and Soul Energizing Citrus Breeze Shower Gel. I need Veet, so I'm gonna grab a pack of Veets. I also want a body scrub. I'm thinking, which one can I go for? I've never tried any of these body scrubs before. These are a little pricey. Dr. Rachel. Does Dr. Rachel make body scrub? I don't know. I wanted to go to another store to get it, but I changed my mind. I found this body scrub, a coffee body scrub, and I love me a good coffee body scrub, so we're taking this one. I have sensitive teeth, so I use Sensodyne, so I'm just going to pick one of them, the whitening one. I have been debating whether or not I should pick this up, but I think I'm going to be going for the Dove Body Love Light Care Body Lotion. I really want a lightweight body lotion for every day, and I've looked everywhere. In fact, Coco is looking for me. We're looking everywhere for a lightweight moisturizer, and this seems to be it. So we're going to take risk and hope and pray that it is light and not too thick. I picked up this really nice body fragrance, body spray. It's tea tree. I think it's from a Nigerian brand. Coco. I think it's from a Nigerian brand. Excited to try it out, and I hope it smells good. I am done with all my body care shopping. Coco wants to let you know that she's here, but yes, I'm done. Let's check out the I am back home. Let's go through and take a closer look at what I have bought today. One of the most interesting and exciting items for me is the shower gel from Astonish, because I have Astonish house products. I know them for their cleaning products, and for me to see that they actually have a shower gel and they have body care products is like really wild to me. I'm very interested in seeing, like, does this clean my body the same way it cleans my house? It smells so good, and I can't wait to try it out. As I mentioned before, these are the tampons I use. They're from a Nigerian brand called Pre-Vic. They have only 3 layers of absorbency, so they have light, they have regular, and they have super. I like them because they're comfortable, they're affordable, and they don't make me leak. Like, I haven't leaked once while using these tampons, so I have switched over to these guys. They have served me well. Even Coco uses them and she has no problem with them. I like these tampons. I think everyone should check them out, but don't check them out to the point that they sell out. Leave some for me, please. I think my Nivea antiperspirant is quite straight to the point. I don't think I need to explain it. I actually don't really care what kind of variant I get whenever I get this thing. I always just like pick up the one that like that catches my attention. The first one that catches my attention, I just pick it up. And this one is the Perfect and Radiant and Even Toned Underarms. Okay. Does it have like anything to help me lighten those underarms? Okay. I'm interested to try this out and see if it actually does help me to lighten my underarms. Another standard thing in my basket is my toothpaste. This is Sensodyne Gentle Whitening. I have sensitive teeth and I like to consume sweet things. I like to consume coffee and things like that. So using a toothpaste that really helps me with my sensitive teeth is very, very important. I've been using Sensodyne for quite some time and it hasn't failed me yet. Another regular in my basket is Veet. This is what I use for hair removal. This is what I've been using since I was a teenager in secondary school, and I'm still using it now. I mean, if it ain't broke, why fix it? Veet has been working for me. I really like how it now has a really nice scent. Veet in the past used to smell like ass, but now Veet actually smells nice. This is the body scrub I got. Is Dr. Mia Nair's Natural and Health Body Scrub, and it's a coffee body scrub. I love myself a nice good body scrub. I use like at least once every couple of weeks. It doesn't contain any oil from what I see. Oops. Very like sandy. It doesn't have an oil that's binding it together. Very loose. Very sandy. One of these days when I do my everything shower, I'll be able to give you guys, I will give you guys a proper review of this body scrub. I'm always getting body scrubs that always have like an oil or like a liquid that kind of binds everything together. But this feels like very, very grainy, very like separated. Like I have scrub particles all over my legs now. I decided to give this Nigerian brand a try. It's called Wild and Free. This is a body fragrance and it's in the flavor green tea. Not a couple of their other stuff, but I was very scared to try it. But I saw this and I was like, okay, I think I can give these guys a chance when it comes to like a body spray. Ooh, very nice, very fresh. It's definitely a refreshing body spray. This is definitely something that I'll be throwing into my bag whenever I'm going out on a date, whenever I'm going out on a girls' night or on a dinner, just to, you know, refresh my body, you know, just bring it out of my bag and just go. It smells so nice and so light. The body of the smell is actually hitting me and I really like the way it smells. It smells really good. And the last but not the least is the Dove Body Love Light Care Body Lotion. I spent the longest time in the aisle looking for a body lotion that was light because I want a really, really light formulation. It's really hot in Lagos right now and it's going to be hot for the next couple of months. So I really wanted a body lotion that moisturized my body but didn't leave it feeling sticky, heavy or thick. And I think this might be the solution. The packaging here says that Dove Light Care Body Lotion has been specially designed to hydrate and provide fast absorbing care for all skin types. I'm gonna put a little bit on my arm. This is what the texture of it looks like. It looks a little bit runny, but let us rub it into the skin so we can see how it actually works. That might have actually been too much. So obviously a little bit of this goes a very long way, but it smells very, very nice, very light. About the fast absorption, maybe because I put too much on this arm, it's not as fast absorbing, but it doesn't feel thick. It feels very light. It feels not sticky at all. I mean, this is just one test, but already I'm liking it. All right guys, that is it for today's video. We went for lunch, we bought some body care stuff, and I showed you everything that I bought. Have you used anything in my little haul? Let me know your opinions, your comments. I'm excited to hear from all of you. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to shop for the subscribe button so you can join my family here on YouTube. Do not forget to moisturize, yes, the notification bell so that you will always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And last but not the least, do not forget to take care of the like button so that you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and to recommend this video to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!